Sea Travelers, large throw quilt, finishes at 67 by 75. The Sea Travelers pattern comes from Pine Tree Country Quilts and is a confident beginner level. To start this kit off, we will be showing the panel. This fabric comes from Northcott and is digitally printed. So we have our panel with our sea turtles and coral. And this is from Deborah Edwards and Melanie Samra from Northcott Fabrics. The next fabric we have in this collection is a coral in color dark blue. We have coral in teal. And we have sea glass in pale blue, and it really does look like sea glass. We have shells in cream. We have sea foam in pale blue. Sand dollars in pale blue. And then we have a ombre fabric. It's almost a panel. And this is pale blue multi.